Hey guys, I'm Matt. This is the MacBook Pro 16-inch 2021. The chip is M1 Max. The RAM is 32 gigabyte, and you can see the storage is 1 terabyte, and the battery capacity is 91. The cycle count is 294. The GPU, the GPU 32 cores, and the CPU 10 cores. You can see this condition is very good. No scratches. You can see the trackpad, no problem. And let me show you the keyboard backlight. Okay, let me show you you can see the keyboard backlight, no problem. No problem. And let me show you the top cover. Okay, here is okay, not a scratch. And you can see no problem. And let me show you the back. Okay, no problem. You can see no scratches. And let me show you so heavy, the 16-inch the SD card slot, no scratches. And this corner, no dents. And this edge also no problem. This edge and the charging port no problem. Here also no problem. And let me show you the 16-inch display. Okay, the password. And let me change the wallpaper, the gray color. Okay, now you can see the screen, no bright spots, no dark spots. This is a beautiful screen, no problem. And let me show you the red color, also no problem. Okay, the function no problem. And let me show you the camera. Okay, hey guys, I'm Matt. Now I tested the camera. The camera quality is good, no problem. Okay, and also let us test the Touch ID. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the Touch ID, no problem. Okay, this is all the machine appearance, and you can see the 16-inch 2021 M1 Max 32 gigabyte and 1 terabyte. Okay, this is a beautiful machine. Okay, and if you want to buy, you can contact me. Okay, you can check out my website. Okay.